Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour With AI. Synthetic exposure risks are flashing red across crypto markets as 5 major venues price SpaceX's SPCX token ahead of its June 12 Nasdaq debut. The divergence in valuation is stark, revealing massive gaps that could trap unwary investors in illiquid synthetic positions. While the official listing looms, the pre-market chaos highlights the fragility of derivative pricing in unregulated spaces. In traditional equities, Proto Labs delivered a masterclass in execution. Shares surged to a 52-week high of $73.26 after the additive manufacturing specialist reported first-quarter earnings that crushed forecasts. Earnings per share hit 54 cents, driven by record revenue and strategic governance shifts that have streamlined operations. This performance underscores the resilience of specialized industrial tech amid broader sector volatility. Meanwhile, macroeconomic headwinds are intensifying in Canada. Deputy Governor Nicholas Vincent issued a stark warning regarding labor inertia. He cited low hire rates and stagnant business formation as primary threats to Canadian productivity and long-term income growth. This structural stagnation complicates the Bank of Canada's path to price stability, suggesting that monetary policy alone may not suffice to reignite dynamic labor markets. Liquidity flows are also shifting in the microcap space. FTSE Russell confirmed that GoPro, Chegg, and Dave & Buster's will join the Russell Microcap Index following the June 26 reconstitution. This inclusion signals a significant liquidity shift for these previously overlooked names, potentially attracting passive capital inflows and altering their trading dynamics. On the digital asset front, accumulation strategies are reaching critical mass. Bitmine Immersion Technologies has amassed 100,000 ETH, bringing its total treasury to 5.39 million tokens. Valued at $11.4 billion, this hoard now represents 89% of its ambitious 5% supply goal. This aggressive buying pressure removes significant float from the market, tightening supply dynamics for the broader Ethereum ecosystem. Looking ahead to today's release, attention turns to the United States housing sector. At 1300 hours Universal Time Coordinated, the S&P/Case-Shiller Home Price Year-over-Year Index will be released. Forecasts point to a modest 1.2% increase, up from the previous 0.9%, indicating persistent, albeit slowing, price resilience. Simultaneously, the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index at 1430 Universal Time Coordinated offers a pulse on industrial sentiment. Traders will watch closely to see if the index can recover from its previous -2.3 reading, which would signal a potential bottoming in regional manufacturing activity. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour With AI for daily market intelligence.